How to glitch block blast. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can glitch block blast. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over and click on this gear icon at the top right and you're going to start a new game. So you'll be able to see some vertical blocks. So what you're going to do is pick all of the vertical blocks and place it towards the right of the screen, like to the bottom right or the top right. And then you can continue placing the rest anywhere you like. So what you're going to do is simply pick the horizontal block and place it somewhere like this, and then continue putting the rest anywhere on the screen. And once you do so, you'll notice that there are a number of vertical blocks in front of you. So what basically happens is that it will glitch the block blast into thinking and only bringing you the vertical blocks. So you can just continue putting these like you want. So just simply drag this and place it somewhere like this. Just leave that specific column where you place the block first and place it towards the left of it. And then pick the other block and you're going to place it at the bottom of it. So you'll notice more and more vertical blocks appear on your screen and your suggestions. So you can simply place that anywhere and make a pattern basically. So basically you have glitched block blast. So that is basically how you can glitch block blast. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.